Imagine you attend a reception with a beautifully decorated venue and well-stocked bar. Suddenly, you spot the person who is keeping everything running smoothly. And you think to yourself, I'd love to do that. Well, my friend, welcome to the fantastic world of event management, where you convert your dreams to other people's reality of spectacularly impressive events. But what does it take to master the symphony of people and activities? You're about to find out. Before we dive into the pool of skills required, let's first address the most common concern: academic qualifications. Yes, they're important. Just like any profession might require some level of theoretical competence, universities and colleges offer degree programs in event management, which provide solid foundation in marketing, project and risk management, all necessary skills in the event arena. But if you imagine that academic knowledge alone would dictate your success, consider the following argument. Events have been around since, well, people have been around. The ancient Greeks hosted the Olympics, a sports event of which you may have heard. The Egyptians celebrated the festival of Opet. That brought the city of Thebes to a standstill for a whopping 27 days. And let's not forget the Romans. Who wouldn't let a volcano ruin their grand Bacchanalia feast? And guess what? They didn't have degrees. Shocking, right? If academic qualifications aren't everything, then what is? It is you. Your innate genius. That is what it is. Let's examine the personal qualities that makes a genius event manager. Quality number 1. Passion. As the saying goes, choose a job you love, and you will never have to work a day in your life. You need a burning desire for creating magical experiences and love seeing people enjoy themselves. Quality number 2. Imagination. If imagination was a country, event managers would be explorers, charting unknown territories. Without imagination, organizing events feel like hard work. Imagination simply means creativity, which helps to transform routine activities into extraordinary experiences. Quality number 3. Organizing ability. This means breaking complex tasks into simpler, practical processes. That enables effective multitasking and helps you cope with demanding schedules. Quality number 4. Interpersonal skills. Event managers are like the captain of a ship. They lead and inspire their team to perform effectively. This requires empathy, good communication skills and personal drive. And a dash of charm never hurts either. Quality number 5. Attention to detail. You may have heard the saying, the devil is in the details. Event managers take responsibility for every aspect of the event. They have to be very meticulous and thorough, because the smallest error can mar the experience of guests. The capacity for early error detection is therefore critical. And finally, quality number 6. Emotional stability. Event management can be like a roller coaster. You need to remain calm under pressure and handle the inevitable surprises that come with planning events. You must know how to keep your cool and tackle the issue. Event management isn't about following rigid rules, but flexibility in thinking and deciding. Flexibility allows us flow with our imagination. Like an artist, painting on the canvas of people's experiences. From the royal coronation ceremonies of old to your cousin Bob's birthday bash. Events are testament to the human love for community, celebration, and making memories. And the people orchestrating these symphonies of joy are event managers. Blessed with a unique blend of creativity and an insatiable drive to create magical experiences. Being a genius event manager means being part engineer, part artist, part psychic, part superhero, and all parts human. You have the privilege and responsibility to create memories that last a lifetime. So, whether you're armed with a degree, a suite of personal skills, or just an unquenchable desire to throw the most epic parties, the world of event management is an exciting flux of adventures, and you might just be what the industry needs. And corporate event managers will help you on your way to professional success. Thanks for watching.